So that should have given you this new tiny window here to the side. To make this bigger for yourself, on mine it's a green arrow here, but for you, when you click up top, there's going to be an X in the upper right hand corner and then a box. You will want to push on the box and it's going to make it a larger full screen window here. I'm just going to kind of finagle mine. It is an interactive activity. So the instructions tell you, click on the red pop tips to see how positive and negative charges react on the balloon. When you press play, it'll read that to you.
Click on the red pop tips to see how positive and negative charges react on the balloon.
If you want any of the directions read to you, you can always push the play button. I know that this is really tiny. If you use your 2 fingers on your trackpad and then spread them apart while you're touching, it will zoom it in. Balloon 1 says, a balloon and a wool cloth are neutral. Each has many negative charges as positive charges, so they're equal. Negative charges and positive, and you can see that here in the picture. If you click on this information icon, it will tell you more, okay? It will read it to you also. So that makes it so you don't have to zoom in all the time too. Then it says when you rub the balloon with the wool, the negative charges will build up on the balloon. The negative charges on the balloon attract the positive charges on the wall. The balloon sticks to the wall. And we know that this is true because positives and negatives attract. You can play through this whole video. Oh, it doesn't want to work for me. And you can play around with it. You can also close out of that and explore more. If you click on your student lesson and you go to the, to find which one it is, elaborate section. Nope. The explain section. You're going to be able to read more about static electricity and positive negative charges, and you will be ready to do our inquiry activity for today, eliminating static electricity. So this is what you will read today, and I'll put it in your slides also. But I want you thinking about how this dryer sheet could help eliminate static electricity. That is today's experiment with the balloons. And I hope that you will be ready to talk about it in a Flipgrid today. Good luck, third grade.